Primer. This is the primer I use before I apply paint. Check spray nozzle pattern before you spray on surface. Make sure to wear a mask or respirator to protect your lungs. Hold the spray can approximately 6 to 8 inches from surface. Make sure to overlap your spray fan, move over surface quickly. Now, turn shutters so you can spray the other side. Careful not to let the fresh paint make contact. Once you finish one side, repeat the process for the other side. This is the primer I prefer to use. It's a tough, stain-killing primer. Now, you're ready to prime and paint. See you next time.